Hey everybody, welcome to day number one of the Newton Mudroom renovation. We've got Trailer Swift here on site and we're walking up to the garage here, which is attached to the house, but there's no direct connection between the house. And so as you can see, we've got this very low archway here that kind of brings you under a little, I guess it's just a little breezeway right here. And we've got these two beautiful doors here. Don't really work. Probably the original doors, there's been sagged a little bit. And then we actually come into the garage itself. And so it's just really low ceilings, very narrow, and then this is what we're going to take and we're going to make the mudroom. So we got a little bit of work to do first. We're going to take down all of this horsehair plaster that's in here because we can't get enough of horsehair plaster, and we're going to remove the shelves. We're just going to clean it out and we're going to gut it down to the studs. And then once we've got it down to the studs, we're going to take a look at things and see where we are just engineering wise. We might have to do a little bit of reinforcement to the roof. We don't know what we're going to get until we open it up, and it's probably the first time it's going to be opened up, who knows, since the house was built back in the 1930s. So this is our first view of the garage, and we're going to get started. All right, and we'll do another wrap at the end of the night, but like I said, I wanted to give you first view before we got started, just so you can see what we have to work with. Hey everybody, welcome to day number one of the Newton Mudroom renovation. You saw my initial video here where we were walking into the space, and this is the very small garage that we're going to turn into a mudroom. Well, we've managed to get all of the, what I thought was horsehair plaster, and then come to find out was just plaster. It was actually metal lathing and plaster. They normally put that in high moisture areas, so it kind of makes sense that we would see it here in a garage, but it's all metal, and it was a lot of work getting off the walls. So this is as far as we got today. We got 3 walls done and the windows, and cleaned it all up so there's no nails. We do have this one section of wall over here that hasn't been done yet. This is actually the cabinet that's on the kitchen side. Now this was a renovation that came when they actually did the kitchen, and we're going to take one of the cabinets out, and this is where we're going to break through. So it's already been broken through, but we're not going to break that down just yet because that's the barrier between the house and the garage. I'm going to keep that barrier up as long as possible for dust reasons, for just cold reasons in general. And last thing we're going to do here for demo is we're going to take down the roof. And so we're expecting some more of that metal lathing and plaster up there. But that'll come down tomorrow, and then we'll have a chance to take a look at the joists and see if there's any possibility of actually getting a little extra height in here. We won't know until we open it up. So end of day one, hope you enjoyed. Check back tomorrow, we'll be doing some more demo and just going over a bit more of this project.